Have you ever wondered how plant-based yogurt is made? Well, today I'm going to take you on a tour of a non-dairy yogurt factory. If you watched my video where I reviewed the Plant Pure cookbook, you probably watched me struggle with making yogurt. This didn't turn into anything. I'm going to guess it's because I used almond milk and not soy milk. But I ultimately succeeded. And today I'm going to show you people that succeed on a daily basis with their company that is exclusively making non-dairy products. Does that make sense? It's dairy products without milk, okay? You get it? Good, great. They use a variety of different products, which you'll get explained in what's to come. And stick around because later on the video, we're gonna go into Yoso's test kitchen and make a bunch of little snacks and treats. So you might wanna stick around to find out what you can do with your non-dairy yogurt. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite brand of non-dairy yogurt is, or if you make it yourself and where you're watching from. And if you like things like this, I recently did a tour of a plant-based donut factory. And upcoming on the channel in a couple of weeks, I'll be doing a tour of a kombucha factory. So subscribe to make sure you don't miss videos like that. On to the tour.
Today I'm visiting Yoso in Cambridge, Ontario, a company that specializes in plant-based non-dairy products. Their primary product being yogurt. And theirs comes from a lot of different sources: oats, soy, coconut, almond, and cashew. Yoso was founded by brothers Francis and Eric Lowe.
Many years, where I grew up in a family business of making plant-based products.
Back in Hong Kong, their grandfather was the first person in the world to commercialize soy milk in the 1940s.
We decided to start a business. It was first to market, as a plant-based cream cheese alternative in Canada.
They've continued to be trailblazers ever since, launching the first to market oat yogurt in 2020.
Bring in more plant-based foods, which is part of our mandates, is to help people to reimagine health, through plants.
What's different about Yoso is that we are a family-run company and we make everything in small batches. So we take a lot of care in every single batch that we make. We also make sure to have clean ingredients and no preservatives in our products too.
How does one make a plant-based yogurt, you may ask?
Well, basically, it's not much different from a kitchen process in a wholesome way. So we start from grains.
This is our extraction area.
In here, they use this machine to extract their soybeans and turn that into a soy extract.
The live steam and the slurry mixtures will hold at 105 to 110 degrees Celsius for a few minutes.
Just a few minutes.
But yeah, we don't want to overcook the slurry.
It then goes through a vacuum chamber.
Under low pressures within the vacuum chamber, the added steam will be removed along with some grassy or beany flavors in the soy slurry.
After that, the product is left to ferment overnight. The next day, it's cooked just enough to pasteurize and then has healthy bacteria cultures and starches added in just to give it the right texture, as well as a healthy dose of probiotics. So this is now it's yogurt.
This is now the yogurt, finally.
Right. So I can just drink it out of there.
Practically speaking, you can.
After that, it's cooled and passed through a metal detector to ensure that no foreign objects have made its way into the product. Do you ever pass any metal through there just to make sure it's working?
Yes, we do have some what we call the.
We'll just wait. He'll be back.
Turn red.
There's no mistaking that that's when it happens. Everyone kind of goes, okay, there's metal in there. And from there, it's packaged. What's extra special about Yoso is they're working towards being a zero-waste company by taking their ingredients byproducts and upcycling them.
We're taking something that would usually be thrown away, but going to make it into something new that's useful. So one of my projects right now is to figure out what to do with this byproduct and how can we make it into something really cool that people are excited about.
And since Yoso has their own kitchen, Amelia and I decided to upcycle some of their products into recipes. So this was your idea. What are we making?
Pancake cereal.
And I'm using my pancake recipe, but I'm gonna modify it to use some of your yogurt.
Our new chocolate banana pie yogurt.
It's about a cup of flour. You can use whole wheat. We've got oat flour here, a healthy dose of cinnamon. I'm a big believer that you can't put too much cinnamon. That's maybe too much.
Is it?
I don't know.
It's good for your heart. It's fine. Some plant milk.
I'm gonna aim for a half a cup of the yogurt. I see you smell that cinnamon, right? You're right. You put it in the right amount. You know what you're doing. I already pre-mashed a banana. Get it as ripe as you can. And then I pre-made a chia egg. which is just a tablespoon of chia, or you had ground chia, and then 3 tablespoons of water. You can do this with flaxseed as well, but you would only use 2 tablespoons of water. And then you just gotta mix it together and let it sit.
That's cool. That's like a 1-to-1 egg substitute?
Yes,
Oh,
this
that's so
is
cool.
good for like 1 egg.
Right.
Let it rip, and then we'll see. Cause you went all cowboy and didn't
did.
measure the milk. We just need pancake like consistency. And then we're just cooking little guys
Yeah.
because we wanna make cereal bites.
Oh. Okay, is that impressive or what?
That's pretty good. I've never actually done this. This is your
It's
idea.
cool. The squeeze bottle's cool too because you can make like fun designs and stuff.
I haven't considered the flipping yet. I just kind of went all cowboy here. Oh, this is very exciting.
Oh, very nice.
Look at them, they're gorgeous. All right, we got some pancakes here. So now what do you do?
I like to put a bit of maple syrup on top. This would be the milk in our cereal.
Oh my goodness,
Okay.
wow.
That's more than a bit, but we're going with it. And then we have some of our chocolate coconut yogurt. There you go.
Look at that.
Ooh. That's good.
That's crazy good.
I like the chocolate banana.
Yeah, the chocolate banana is really, really nice. And that, the yogurt inside the pancakes is something I've never done, but it gives it this moisture that is really, really nice, and it adds a little extra fluffiness to the pancake. Because I will find these 4-ingredient pancakes I make, they can be a bit flat.
Yeah.
So this makes them poof up a little bit, which is something I'm now gonna be doing for forever, thanks to you.
Woohoo.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What are you gonna make me?
We're gonna make Immuno 10 cinnamon chai smoothie with protein.
Amazing. And so yours comes in these bags. I've never seen this before. Like what's the reason behind using a bag like this?
So this is our new pouch format, so it's much more environmentally friendly
Okay.
as a pouch versus say a plastic bottle or like a milk carton.
Gotcha.
And why that is because to transport that many cartons would take usually 26 trucks, but the same amount of pouches is only 1 truck. So we're really taking a lot of trucks off the road and saving a lot of CO2 emissions.
That's amazing. That's a good reason. So I'm gonna let you drive this,
All right.
because I know how I make a smoothie, but I'm excited to see what you're gonna do.
So we're gonna have about 2 cups of the Immuno 10 cinnamon chai.
And you have how many flavors of this Amino 10?
We have 6 flavors, and they all are oat-based, and they have 10 billion probiotics per serving.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so it's recommended that you have 10 to 15 billion probiotics per day. So we researched for years what probiotics would be good, because some of them don't actually last long in your gut. So we picked a specific strain that can withstand high acidity. So it can go through your stomach and not germinate, so you are going to get all those benefits of probiotics.
Amazing. So so all that's in there is your Amino 10, that protein powder, and some ice.
That's right.
And then you put it in this space level,
Our space mixer.
your space mixer. That is the most complicated blender screen. You got, the lid helps.
All right.
Nice pour.
Thank you. Cool.
Cheers.
Cheers, friend.
That's delicious.
Good, right?
Yeah, and I love that the protein powder doesn't get in its way either. That chai flavor is really, really, really lovely.
Yeah, I like
Oh.
the cinnamon note. And you have 10 billion probiotics. Much better than like taking a pill or something else.
How much do you have to drink to get the 10 billion?
1 cup.
1 cup. Amazing. Brad's one of our camera guys,
Ooh.
and he is also plant-based.
Cool.
So I want to see what he thinks.
Exciting. That's amazing. That's really good.
Yeah, nice.
Awesome.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
That's great. Sweet.
Back to work. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna make some frozen yogurt bark.
I'm so excited. So you have got 2 different yogurts here for us to try.
We have our coconut vanilla and then our unsweetened coconut. And I thought we can mix them both together.
Oh, mix them together. That's a good idea. Okay, great. So we're gonna mix it together in the pan.
Sure.
Really? Okay, great. You go. I'm the vanilla.
Yeah. So I'll do a swirl.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that sound.
That's a sound.
You catching that, Mick?
One more time. Okay, your turn.
You got like a Zoro thing? I'm gonna zig that. You zagged, so I'm gonna zig.
Okay.
Uh-oh, kind of uniform that way. I'm gonna go woo. And then I'll start over here. We're gonna do 2?
Sure.
Why not, right? We're here. I mean, you put 2 out.
I did. Oh, that's nice.
Right?
Art.
Well, you know. There we go. The sounds are my favorite part.
Wow.
We should probably spread this out, right? Mm-hmm. So you do that,
I'll do
guy.
this one.
I didn't mean to genderize it. It could be a female yogurt fan.
We could.
It could be. The other thing you can do at home, if you have like a flavored yogurt with a color, is you do this, and then you can almost do like a swirl cake
Oh, yeah.
kind of design. Yeah, so for yogurt bark, my experience with it has been to, you kind of spread it all out on some kind of a pan with something that helps you lift. Here we're using plastic. And then it's just about having fun with what you put on top of it. And then we just have fun with it. And then you can do anything with this. Sometimes I'll even take jam and sprinkle it around on top. Kind of using up whatever you got. This is a great thing that I love, that I often will keep in my freezer, because it's just a great quick snack. Look at that.
Wow, so fancy.
Pretty. I mean, there's no wrong way to do this.
Yeah, it's different every bite.
These are pretty.
Oh, they look nice.
And there's never enough chocolate. So now we'll throw these in the freezer for a few minutes and see what happens. And we'll come back and we'll have some delicious yogurt bark.
Sounds good.
Okay. Here it goes. I think it's set enough. I'd often leave it overnight. The real test is to seeing if it snaps, which
Yeah.
it might not snap, but it'll still be delicious. So as you can see, it's pretty good. So we just didn't let this set as long as I normally would, but it's still gonna be amazing and delicious. But that's okay. You got a piece?
There we go.
It's doing good. Cheers.
Cheers. I liked it.
I'll go a lot. It still works, so it's a bit creamy. But it's nice when it's all the way firm because it snaps beautifully. I think we should share this.
Let's do it.
Come on in, everyone. Mickey?
So I just... Oh, that's cold.
No, it's frozen.
This is a lady one. That was a girl. Very tasty.
I haven't tried the girl yet. This one got a nice little frozen. Yeah, this is delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Let me know what you'd put in yours. Thanks for joining me for the tour of the Yoso factory. If you like this video, let us know down below, and also where you're watching from and what your favorite non-dairy yogurt brand is. If you're not a subscriber already, hit that button down below for more content like this, and YouTube wants you to watch this video next. They think you're really gonna like it, and they don't steer you wrong too often. They brought you to this channel, didn't they? Thanks.